We want to make a table of values for y equals x times x plus 3 times x minus 2 for integer values of x from minus 3 to 2. Let's draw our table. We have x and y. We need integer values of x between minus 3 and 2. Take minus 3 and substitute into the equation. Y is going to be minus 3 into minus 3 plus 3 into minus 3 take away 2. Calculating this gives 0. And then do the same with the other values. We get 8, 6, 0, minus 4, and 0. Almost certainly, we don't have enough values here in order to draw the graph accurately. You may need to take some other values. Half-unit values, such as minus 2.5, minus 1.5, and so on. And if you need more points, then you need to calculate some other x values. The more values that you have, the more accurately you can draw your graph. But of course, the more calculation you have to do.